Today we're making an easy, flavorful lemon butter whitefish that's ready in 30 minutes. Let's get started. We will start by making the lemon butter mixture. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup butter melted, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and 2 tablespoons of assorted herbs. I'm using 1 tablespoon parsley, 1/2 tablespoon oregano, and 1/2 tablespoon basil, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we'll mix this all together, and this will be the flavorful topping we are using. Then we'll line a baking sheet or dish with parchment paper, lay 4 to 6 fish fillets in a single layer, and then brush the lemon butter mixture evenly on top of all the fillets. Then we'll bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. And that's it, a zesty, buttery, perfectly baked whitefish ready to enjoy. Serve it with fresh veggies or a salad for a complete meal. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick and tasty dishes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.